Welcome, today I am with Motorola Moto E20 and I'll show you a couple camera tricks. So at first I will show you the best features that you can find in the settings, and after that I will smoothly move to the modes. So when you are in the settings, at first we can activate Gridlines on the screen. When you enable this option, you will find this help Gridlines on the screen, and they basically help us to take better composition on the photos. If you want to put something in the middle in your photo, like this HardReset.Info logo channel, you can make it definitely easier with these lines. Take a look. Another option that you can find here is tap anywhere to capture. So when you hold your phone like that, for example, and you cannot reach the shutter right here, you can just tap on the screen and the photo will be also taken. So that's definitely a useful option. We can also enable watermarks, and take a look. We can add our own signature, but at first we have to enable the device or timestamp watermark. So I'm going to type here hard reset, and as you can see on the left we can find the device mark with our signature, and on the right we can add this time and the stamp. I mean this timestamp. So when you take photo, take a look, we can find here our watermarks and the left and the right bottom corners. And also we can enable the GPS location on the photos. So right now when you enable this option, and also be sure that location is enabled on your phone, take photo, go for the details, and you will find the exact location where the photo was taken. There it is, as you can see. Okay, right now when you are in the normal photo mode, now we can tap on the screen. Oh, but at the first we have to get rid of this tap option. And as you can see, when you are here, we can simply enable increase or decrease brightness level on the photos. So we can adjust manually without using the Pro mode. And the same you can make in the video mode. Okay, it's a little bit laggy, as you can see. So you can press on the screen, click and hold, and then you can increase and decrease this brightness level. Here we can add timer, 3 or 10 seconds. When you press shutter, the photo will be taken after a few moments. And when you tap on these 3 lines right here, we can find additional modes like the Pro mode, where we can adjust ISO manually. We can also adjust EV, white balance. It changes quickly temperature and the colors on the photo. And also we can just reset this option. If you don't know how to use this mode and what all of these values means, you can check the video on our channel where we will show you how to use the Pro mode. And yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.